Yes, so very good evening, sir. Welcome to this session.
Good evening. Thank you. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, clearly, loud and clear.
Good. Nice background. Nice. You are standing and giving session. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You have green background.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. So, what inspired you at this 11th class to be in ILH community, and what all you are doing?
So, sir, I and my whole family, like my father, my brother, and my mummy also, we all are like together we are doing the thing which is like हम लोग एक इंस्टीट्यूट का स्थापना करने में I think I mean लगे हुए हैं, that is Shubhvardan Institute of Artistic Science. You know, nobody is focusing on the natural part, like मतलब artistic science है, scientific art है, but what we are focusing on is natural artistic science. मतलब our total thing is कि आप अपने present reality से originality तक कैसे जा सकते. See, today it is all skill based economy. So we all students also have to understand that it's all about building our unshakable brand, and with that people will connect with us. So like Sid also says ki don't let schooling interfere with your education. So that actually inspired me.
Beautiful, beautiful. You're so inspiring. Thank you for what you're doing at your age. You're what is 16, huh?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Very nice. So yes, what can I do for you?
First of all, I'm really very glad that you are here. Like from last 2 years, I was thinking that I'll interview you.
Thank you, thank you. I'll be happy to.
Hello friends, we have MV Priyank on board. I would just ask you this, ki, what do you specifically for students would advise or would suggest? And tell us about what you do and like sound healing and how it can help us.
Okay. So I would like to start with quotation by Nikola Tesla, who says, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, if you want to unlock the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibrations. So my subject is energy and sound healing. I help people with the help of sound healing, how to change their frequency and vibration to unlock their true potential so that they can achieve their dreams faster. So sound is a powerful tool through which we can, it's a universe response to the vibrations you emit. Be it you are a student or working professional, based on your vibrations only, that kind of results you get. So if you are a student watching, if you change your vibrations, you can progress in your studies faster. You can grasp and digest whatever you are learning in an easy way and perform in your exams in a better way. Not only exams, it will activate different parts of your brain, which will help you to be creative and explore different fields as well. Life will be more smoother than tougher. I say many people think, yeah, healing, meditation, spirituality is for old age people. It's not for me. When I'll become old, tab dekhta hu. I said, no, if you want to fasten up in your life, these are the shortcuts. Like when you play games, you have hacks, right? You have keyboard shortcuts. Similarly, these tools of inner world transformation are shortcuts to have long jump in your life. That's what I help people with.
Awesome. It was really very powerful. And the thing ki, we have to think in terms of vibrations and energies. That is amazing. And actually, I also feel that it is the shortcut to reach success and the zenith of whatever we do. Because ultimately, if our frequency matches to that level, so the thing starts to happen. One more question I have that, like in science, मैंने पढ़ा है कि like charges repel each other, and unlike मतलब अगर positive and negative है तो that will attract each other. So why is it so that in law of attraction we say that if you are like if you think positive, then positive will attract, like attracts like. So what is the mean science behind that?
So there is a difference between the magnetism concept and human magnetism concepts. So as per magnet, if North Pole focuses on North Pole, it will reject. But South Pole focuses on North Pole, then it will attract. But at the end, let's not take the quality of like attracting each other and not like rejecting each other. Let's take overall quality of magnet only. At the end, what is the quality of magnet? If you how much or powerful is magnet? that amount of iron particles it will attract. Similarly, let's consider instead of North Pole, South Pole, human also a simple magnet. How much or powerful the magnetic field is there, that kind of experiences we attract. Like magnet has magnetic field around it and its quality is to attract iron particles. Similarly, we have energy field around us called aura. Based on the information aura, we start attracting that kind of experiences in our life. So if we have positive
Awesome.
information, then we will attract positive. If we have negative information, then it will attract negative. If in magnetic field there was information that it can attract wood, then it will attract wood. So we'll take the energy field information rather than pole information. Then it's similar.
All right. Again, it's really, it gave us really, big clarity. मतलब ये मुझे बहुत दिन से doubt था कि like science we have read like and unlike and it was so much confusing, but now you have made it very clear. Thank you for that.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Sir, so I can see that you are, matlab, in this stage, you are really very successful, like Crore Club and all you have reached, and 35,000 plus mentees you have taught. So, what is the science behind your success? Means, how have you able to, really make these things happen?
The number is more than 80,000, 1 lakh right now.
Oh my God.
I'm not even updating now. I'm
Amazing,
losing
amazing.
So, what secret of my success? Maybe I'm blessed to be surrounded with the right set of people, right set of coaches, mentors. And when I see if my coaches, mentors, and gurus are getting results, and if they say by doing this, you will get results, I surrender to the process and I'm bound to get similar results. So those who are watching, I would request you, please surround yourself with the right coaches and mentors for each area of your life. Like I have for my life, physical fitness coach, diet coach, relationship coach, spiritual coach, all dimensions of finance coach. I have surrounded with all types of coaches around me. So they will make sure I get best out of myself, even if I am playing low. Second, continuously working on myself. The for when you work on your personality, you will have the personal transformation. Yesterday, Pooja Punit was saying that. So work on your inner world, continuously keep learning. And again, learning is not sufficient. Learn and practically implement as well to get the results. Also, if you help other people achieve their goals, your goals will automatically be taken care. These are the few principles I feel it helped me to grow where I am right now.
Awesome, really powerful. And my father also tell us that अगर आप दूसरों को खिलाने का सोच रहे हो तो at the end आप भूखे कभी नहीं सोओगे. So
सही
that
बात
is
है, एकदम सही
another
बात है.
concept that
Yes.
yes. So if we are thinking to serve, then we will get in return. Because
Correct.
ultimately every action has its equal and opposite reaction. That is the
Yes,
concept
yes,
here.
no doubt, no doubt.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Priyank sir, for giving your precious time here.
So be it. Thank you very much and best wishes for your journey ahead.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.